again, as a mobile tester and as an experienced mobile tester, you have to think about a couple of things. One is, can I use automation in this project? Remember, there are 4 different types of software projects here. You're not testing all of them all at the same time. You're testing one. And if you're testing more than one at the same time, then you've got some problems. And I wouldn't recommend doing that. But if you test one at a time, plan it out. Okay, I see that I need to do some performance testing. Now what that means is you're not going to do performance testing on a native app because not defined as it is today in general, because that's really about the connection with the web service and web server. And so you're creating some tests around load, and you're creating tests around stress. However, you can still apply stress testing and load testing, but define it in a different way. You only have one person on your mobile device for a native app. So load is not how many people are accessing that device. It is instead how it would be, for example, how much load do you put on the CPU? And what are the conditions around that, like charging a battery, creating heat. How much can the CPU create for go fast? Because you've got a lot of processing going on. So you go ahead and you have that thing pumped up, and oh wait, this is a small device. Now I got to think about temperature. And the device can sometimes be too fast, or I should say the CPU can be too fast. And then you've got a problem with the temperature going up, and you can burn out your cell modem. So you need to understand what the limitations are of that temperature CPU and how your application behaves based on that information. And that can be, the software application can behave all kinds of different ways. I've seen it. It's scary.